In this how-to tutorial, I will show you how to download trading platforms. Once logged in, click Downloads from the menu. Here you will see the various trading platforms and device types supported for each platform. I will choose my platform and then choose my device type. Then I will click the Download button. If you are using a mobile device, you will be taken to the App Store and prompted to install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app and log into your trading account. If you are on a Windows computer or a Mac computer, it will download the installer file to your device. Once the download is complete, run the installer file on your computer. After installed, run the application and log into your trading account. This process applies to all trading platforms on every device type. Thanks for watching, and be sure to browse our other how-to videos to ensure you get the most out of your trading experience with GatesFX.